Good morning, children. I am Jaibala Rao, and we are going to learn today the E, D, and ET word family. Now, before we begin, let's just recall what sounds to the letters E, D, and T make. Letter E makes the sound eh, correct? The letter E makes the sound eh. The letter D makes the sound D. So E, D together makes the sound E, D. Correct? Let's move on and learn which words belong to the ED word family. Now, children, remembering these words is very easy. Why? Because we already know two letters from the word, and there are only three letters in the word. The words all end in the letters E, D, E, D. Alright, let's move on. Now, let's sound out the letters and say these words. The letter B makes the sound B, and as we all know, the letters E and D make the sound E and D. B, E, D is bed. Good job, children. We all sleep on our beds, right? Let's move on. F, E, D, fed. Does fed mean? Yes, when we feed someone, right? Like your mama fed your breakfast early in the morning today? Yes? Alright. So the letter F makes the sound F and ED for a the fed. L a the lead. What does lead mean? You know, in a when we play or in a line, the first person who is leading is the leader. The leader led all of y'all, right? Can you all see? Yes, the red man is leading everybody else, so he led them, right, on the path. What does led mean? Led is the past tense of lead. All right. Okay. R, E, D. We all know this one. It's one of our favorite colors. It is red. Correct? We all love to color red things, right? Red. We can use a red crayon and make beautiful pictures. Maybe a red house, maybe a red hen, right? All right. So, R, E, D makes the word red. Now we're going to learn the words from the ET word family. Alright. Now what sound does the letter E make? We all know it makes the sound E. And the letter T makes the sound T. So E, T, Et. Okay. So all the words in the ET word family end with the letters E and T. Alright. Easy. Now we only have to learn one letter. Yes. Let so it's easy and it's fun, correct? All right, let's move on. Now let's sound out the letters and say these words from the ET word family. All right, the letter P makes the sound P and et. Pet is pet. Yes, we all love pets, isn't it? Some of us even have pets at our home. Correct? All right, let's move on. The, a, the, set. What does a set mean? Set is things of a kind, like a tea set, yes, or a play set, a kitchen set, a doctor set. We all have played with these things, right? A set of blocks. So, all the things of the same kind is a set, all right? And set, how do we write the word set? S-E-T. S-E-T, set. Remember, the words from the ET word family all end with the letters E and T. Let's move on. Get. Now, what does get mean? I don't have an image for this. So, I will tell you. When somebody gives you something, right? Mama gives you a gift, you get the gift. Alright? So, when somebody gives you something, you get that thing. So, when Mama is giving you a gift, you get the gift. When Mama gives you chocolates, you get the chocolate. When your friends give you toys, you get the toys. All right? Do we understand? Get. 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 All right? Let's move on. W. What sound does the letter W make? Does it make the sound W? Wet. 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 And what does wet mean? What will happen if we go out when it's raining? Yes, we will get all wet. Correct. And how do we spell the word wet? Wet. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. 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 Alright, let's move on. What sound does the letter J make? Makes the sound J. J. E. T. Can you all tell me what word it is? J. E. T. Jet. Good job. Very good. The jet is a kind of an aeroplane. Yes. All right. Now, let's remember the spelling of the word. All right. Repeat after me. Jet. 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 All right. Let's move on. Now we are going to write the words from the ED and the ET word family. Alright, I hope we all are clear as to how to spell the words from the ED and the ET word family and there is no confusion. Remember the trick. The last two letters of the ED family will always be ED and the last two letters of the ET word family will always be ET. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is Jaibala Rao signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School.